Hey y'all, welcome back. And in today's video we making dinner: broccoli, chicken, cheddar, rice casserole. So let's get into it. So hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video we are cooking Sunday dinner. I feel like I wanted to do something not too heavy this Sunday because Thursday is Thanksgiving. So you guessed it, today is November 22nd, and so I'm gonna be preparing broccoli, chicken, cheddar rice casserole. Like my auntie make this every year for Thanksgiving, so I figured I'm trying to eat different stuff. So y'all, this will be cooking today. So before we get into this video, hit a like for your girl, subscribe, become a part of the family, then turn on your post notifications by hitting that bell. And now YouTube make you either do all notifications, some notifications, or no notifications. So make sure you go all the way to the top and hit all, so you'll be notified of any time I post a video. I know y'all like, girl, you ain't in your kitchen. Well, I'm on the way to my kitchen, and I just wanted, you know, to have some good lighting, y'all. As you can see, I'm feeling myself. Got this fresh install. So we're gonna get into this video, y'all, okay? Let's get into the ingredients that I will be using. Again, for the spices, you can use any spice that you like to season your chicken, to season your mixture of the soup and everything before you put it in the oven. So I will be using paprika, onion powder, black pepper, minced onion, garlic powder, Lawry's seasoned salt, and then for the soup I'm using cream of mushroom. I've seen people use cream of broccoli, cream of celery, cream of chicken, even cheddar soup, cheddar broccoli soup in a can from Campbell's. Again, you can use any soup base that you prefer, but I'm using cream of mushroom. I'm not good at cooking rice. I've never been good at cooking rice. So today I'm using Success 10-minute boil in the bag rice. Sometimes it's Uncle Ben, sometimes it's Aldi's, whatever boil in the bag rice I can find, that's what I'm using. I've also seen people even on TikTok do like the Lipton chicken soup thing. Not Lipton chicken, the Lipton chicken and rice packet, but I'm actually just using basic white rice. And then this is what I will be cooking my chicken in. I'm going to spray this into a little nonstick pan to cook my chicken, and then this is going to go once the chicken has completed, then I'm going to put a little butter in there, and then the rest of the butter I will be rubbing into this glass baking dish. This is the kind of cheese I'm using, cheddar cheese. Again, you can use any cheese you want, any cheese that your heart desires, but I'm using cheddar. And then these are some chicken breast tenderloins that have been marinating to perfection. So I'm ready to cut these up with a pair of kitchen shears and cook this chicken real quick, and I will come back to y'all while the chicken is cooking. I am boiling 4 cups of water for this 1 packet of rice. Once this cooked, this will be 1 cup of rice. Again, if you're cooking for a large family, you can double the amount of rice, but since it's just me and since I'm using this small pan, I will be cooking 1 bag of rice. So let's get into it, and I'll see y'all in the next clip. I normally cook with fresh onion, but I don't feel like cutting any onion today. So this is my first time using this, and baby, this is my new best friend because I don't feel like cutting up any onions today. But I'm gonna add a little bit more to that because I really love onions, and they will turn out to be really good once this is done cooking. Here is the rice just boiling its little content, just so boiling away. I also sprayed a little bit of non-stick oil in that pan, and then I'm just ready to rub this with butter. As y'all can see, I'm just buttering this. So this is gonna be really good. I'm just gonna butter this pan all around the edges, and then yeah, that's gonna be good, y'all. So I'm gonna continue buttering this. Then in the meantime, I'm ready to mix in the soup, taste that to my season it and taste it to my liking before I add in the chicken and the rice, and I will come back to y'all in a minute. Y'all, I added a half a cup of milk, and this is gonna help that broccoli to cook. Let me go ahead and stir this up. And then, yeah, that was one ingredient I forgot to show y'all. Most people use water, but since my rice is already gonna be cooked, I'm not using water, I'm using milk. So yeah, but again, you can do what you want to do because it's your business, like my girl Tapta Brown say. But we needed something, a liquid that's gonna help cook the broccoli. So I'm gonna get this stirred up, and then I'm gonna taste it. I was in luck, y'all. I didn't have to do too much cutting up of the broccoli because it was already kind of in small florets. I just had to break a couple of them up. So I'm going to incorporate the broccoli, get this stirred up. Next, I will incorporate the chicken, the rice, and a little bit of cheese. And we almost ready to throw this in the oven. Yeah, this is what it's looking like before I add the rice. And as y'all can see, this is going to be a hearty meal. Once this cooks halfway, like 75% finished, I will add a little bit more cheese to the top, but I did mix the cheese in. So once I add the rice in there, y'all, this is going to be bomb, okay? Delicious. Okay, y'all, I have added the rice. And I also added a little bit more seasoning, just because I know once I added the rice in there, that was gonna kind of take the flavor down just a tad bit. Not a lot, but a tad bit. Of course, I'm gonna taste this mixture before I put it in the oven. It's all done except the broccoli, so I'm just make sure I don't grab no broccoli to see what it tastes like. It's seasoned perfectly. No more seasoning is needed. So I'm ready to put this. I'm preheating my oven at 350, and I'm going to cook this for 20 to 25 minutes, just until I start seeing the cheese bubbling, because everything is already done except the broccoli. And then when it's halfway done, I'm gonna put a little bit more cheese on the top, and then we almost done with dinner, y'all. This is a quick, easy meal. So I'm gonna put this glass baking sheet on the cookie sheet just in case it does decide if it want to be bad and bubble over. Baby, I ain't cleaning my oven, okay? So I would suggest that you put something up under your baking sheet. Like I said, this mug is filled to the brim. I probably could have cooked this in a bigger pan. I don't know why I didn't think it was gonna be this much. So y'all, this is gonna be a hearty meal. So you might want to put your glass pan or your baking dish on top of a cookie sheet. But I'm doing enough talking, y'all, so I'm ready to push this oven closed. As y'all can see, this looks freaking amazing. And if I say freaking amazing on it, then y'all know it looks good and it smells freaking amazing. So yeah, y'all, as you can see, the cheese is all melted in, ooey gooey. Once this cools, y'all, I just don't know what to say. So this was a very, 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 very easy meal to make. Ooh, y'all. Oh, y'all. So y'all, I made a little salad. This is nothing but just a little bacon bits, some roasted red peppers, and some avocado ranch dressing. But y'all, look how cheesy this is. Like, goodness, it's so cheesy and just I'm about to eat my dinner, and you know, first we gotta do a taste. It's so good, like that cream of mushroom soup. Look at all that cheese, y'all. It's so good. Y'all have to make this. Well, thank y'all for tuning in to another Cooking with Miss Nicole, Cooking with Nicole. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Comment below and let me know some things y'all want to see me make. Let me know if you've tried this, or if you haven't tried it, will you be trying it? And other than that, subscribe, join the family, turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified of any time I post a video. And I just thank y'all for watching, thank y'all for supporting, and I will see y'all in my next video. Give me one more little bite, y'all. Bye.